Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take this 2019 F650 out of transport mode. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is put the keys in the ignition, turn them to on so that your gauges come on, your dash lights all come on. Transport mode, contact dealer. So we're going to depress the brake pedal 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the hazards. We'll hit it 6 times to turn it off. Turn the key off. We'll turn it back on to double check. And that's it, guys. No more transport mode. Okay, so it's just key to on, wait for the chimes to stop, hit your brake pedal 5 times, hazards 5 times, and transport mode will clear. Now, this is a F650, so it will not sound the horn. It has an air horn button over here. It will not sound the horn like the F150s, F550s, 450s, any of those. So it's a little different, kind of the same. It just won't sound the horn to confirm that you're done. You just turn the key off, turn it back on. And it'll confirm that it won't say transport mode anymore. We're actually low on air on this one, so I'm surprised that the air is not saying check brake system. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like this video if it helped you. Thank you. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.